So, hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about this physics quiz, and this is a series of video that I will answer every question and these four questions, and it will be separate videos. So I won't just make it into one huge video in case you guys have other usage of it. So let's talk about the first question. And a bomb blows up in midair, and which direction that the debris of the bomb must not go? So I want to talk about one important terms, a physics term. It's called the equilibrium. Equilibrium means like the force, sum of the force must be zero. Yeah, zero. Take this question as an example. This is a bomb. It blows up into two parts like this. But why it has to be like this? Sorry for the drawing. And why it has to be like this? Because it needs to remains at an equilibrium state, which means that I call this force 1 and this is called force 2. In terms of equilibrium, force 1 plus force 2 must be equal to 0. It has nothing need to concern about. You just need to memorize that whatever direction it goes, it doesn't need to be blows up into two parts. It can be blows up into multiply parts such as 4 parts, 3 parts, even 10 parts. But one thing I need to want you to remember is just equilibrium. Yeah. So everything must go into zero when it comes to sums up all the force together. It must be equilibrium and it must be zero. Let's say these options, whatever leftward, upward, downward. It is. It sounds. It sounds ridiculous if you notice that it is not obey to the law of equilibrium because if all the debris go to upward, if you sums up all the force, it can't be zero. For this, just take this as take the previous question as an example. If I count the force goes to left as positive, goes to right as negative, the force sums up, it will be zero. So I want you to um really memorize about that, the law of equilibrium. So that's the end for the first question.